Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Steven, and this is Big Block 402 channel. I'm getting ready to head over to Layton Welding's house, and I'm going to go pick up my 65 AMC Ambassador. And that car I will be working on, getting it ready for No Name Nationals 2023. So let's ride on over to his house and pick up this car. Alright, we'll get started on getting these wheels off the back of this AMC. The back wheels are, I think the back brakes are locked up on it. It's been sitting for a while. So we're going to pop these wheels off of it. See can we free up the drums, get this thing rolling so we can get it on the car trailer, get this to the house. It's going to be a pretty old car though, pretty cool old car. I mean, once we get it figured out. Oh, yeah, to get it under the... So your GoPro was hiding in a bucket?
There's a bucket underneath my...
Is it exactly where you put it?
Well, that's where I had my bag. It kept getting the bag. It fell down in the bucket below the bag. It fell.
This car got a frame under it?
You know, like,
Is it? Dude, it don't make sense. It's the only reason your car would have had no oil pressure is if you run it out of oil again. It's all I checked the oil first thing, it's got oil. That's what it ain't, I still got oil pressure. So he was relieved after it covered his old car in oil, he was relieved. So, better to have to clean your car up than not have oil pressure. I got it up then. See what this old AMC looks like. Got that fine exhaust system on it. The gas tank's right there. Pretty solid under here. It's not rusted out or anything. This thing's got like trailing arms, torque arms going up to the torque tube. Yeah, all that'll have to come out. I'm going to have to get an 8 3/4 Dodge rear end and go under this car. Yeah. Yes, it is.
so was the thread left-hand, right-hand thread on the lug nuts?
These are left-hand here. 65, I think, is all correct. I think it was earlier. My 63 Scout had left and right. It would be stamped on the end of the thing. Should be. It is. Yeah, they were. They've already loosened the other ones up. They were there. All in the left. Yeah, warming up again today.
Oh, she turned the air off this morning. Man, it's hot in here. Got that on. Like no freezing. I hate cleaning houses. You get your eyes and neck up. Oh, fun. Getting all that dust and
Yep.
For a big rain.
That drum will bend real easy. This week, so I can put my winch on here. I got brand new winches for that. Like this. I'm gonna have to extend it somehow.
I got a chain. That double hook chain.
If you got a hook, double hook chain, it'll work.
Cover down here.
Like a loop. wheels sliding. Knocked about an hour of work off. This one under there. Alright, we're going to quit struggling with it. We're going to hook the 4-wheel drive Suburban up, pull it up here the right way. Alright, we're going to try this another way. Nah, might not. I think you get a little bit better of a momentum. It'll pull right up, because it's right on the edge of breaking over when you start spinning. There you go. Done it. All right, we got the Rambler 990 Ambassador loaded up, Layton Welding. Got the AMC. We got to go across that field over there about 3 miles to its new home. The old wore out F-150's got it ready to go. One little strap on there. Don't plan on going fast. We'll get back when we get to the house. All right, we got the Ambassador loaded up. Right back there, we're headed to the house with it. We're gonna see if we can get it unloaded. I don't know if we'll unload it today or not. We had to drag it up on that rear end, still locked up. It's gonna take a little finessing to get it freed up, but I think one wheel was spinning maybe, so I think just the driver's wheel's locked up. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Here we go. All right, so we did get the Ambassador to the house. It's still loaded on the trailer. I got it home yesterday afternoon and decided to start working on another project, which was a four-wheeler having carb issues with. But I went ahead last night and I put a battery on the Ambassador and went in there and checked the fuses, and I had one blown fuse. It was a main fuse, so I replaced that fuse, turned the headlight switch on, and we got tail lights. I did have to replace one bulb, but the tail lights came on, and the license plate light actually came on also. So here's a picture of what that looks like. So we do have tail lights, and the parking lights in the front work. I pulled the switch all the way out, but the headlights did not come on. So I got to look into that. But looking at the wiring on the car, the wiring is in great shape for a 65 model. I think the wiring on this car is in better shape than the wiring on Candy Cane, because it still has a lot of the original wiring in that truck also. Another thing, when I turn the light switch, the dome light, it's got two dome lights in the back for the back pillars. Both of the dome lights come on. So dome lights are working, and the parking lights. So that's a great beginning for getting the Ambassador set back up to go on the road. We're gonna be doing a video on the starting up this 6-cylinder. Layton Welding had this car at his house this year, and he actually was able to get the engine started. He put a carburetor on here and he got it started, but it was missing really bad. So we're going to pull the plugs, check the points, and see can we get it to run, the 6-cylinder to run and run smooth, and maybe even see if this transmission will take gear and pull the car itself. But that's all I got for now, and that's just the this is the very first real video update on the AMC Ambassador. So if you want to see more of this Ambassador and what I do with it, go ahead and hit that subscribe, hit the like, and ring that bell so you get updates for every video I drop, because I will be doing more Ambassador content. And this color, it's I think it's Pacific Aqua or Seaside Aqua. That's the name of this color. It's Seaside Aqua. I do plan on keeping this color on the car. The patina is great on it. I would like to seal the, not really worried about sealing the paint, but the hood, almost all the paint's going off of the hood, and it's just, you know, surface rust. So I do want to clean the hood up and seal it somehow. Any suggestions you might have on what I should do as far as sealing the factory paint on this car for the condition it's in now. Maybe one day down the road we'll paint the car, put it back the original color. But for now, just getting it back on the road and getting it roadworthy is the first goal. So anyway, thanks for tuning in to Big Block 402, and I'm gone.